Good morning. Are you Mrs. Brown? Are you my English teacher?
Oh. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Are you my English teacher?
No, I'm not. My name is Andrea. I am a student here too.
Oh. I'm sorry. Thanks and goodbye.
No problem. Goodbye, and see you later.
Hello everyone. My name is Estella Juliana Brown Arias. I am your teacher. I am Mrs. Brown.
Good morning. Are you Mrs. Brown? Are you my English teacher?
Good morning to you too. Yes, I am Mrs. Brown. But I am not your teacher. Your teacher is over there. Her name is Graciela Villalba, and the number of her classroom is 245.
I am sorry, Mrs. Brown. But, can you please repeat my English teacher's name?
Yes, I can. Her name is Graciela Villalba.
Can you please spell her last name for me? Villalba?
Yes, of course. You spell Villalba like this.
Villalba. Villalba. Mrs. Villalba. Villalba is my last name. Good morning, Mrs. Brown. I am Mrs. Villalba. What is your name, little girl?
Good morning, Mrs. Villalba. My name is Camilla. Camilla Rogan. Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. Now, say goodbye to Mrs. Brown. Let's go to the classroom.
Good afternoon. Are you Mrs. Brown?
Oh. Hi. Hello. No. I am not Mrs. Brown.
Okay. I'm sorry. Are you a teacher here?
No, I am a student here. I am an English student. This is classroom 245, right?
I am a student too. My name is Jackson Johnson. What is your name?
My name is Grace. Grace Gibson.
Nice to meet you, Grace. Grace, right?
Nice to meet you too, Jackson.
Thank you, Grace. And what is your phone number?
My phone number is 333-65592.
Oh, hi everybody. I'm Mrs. Brown. How are you doing?
Pretty good. Thank you, Mrs. Brown.
Good, and thank you, Mrs. Brown. Nice to meet you.
And you? How are you doing today?